Kalong kasngi ka bakman ya ki khana puli ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong bakila la ban pendap ki jing puli jong ki ha ki jing ai jing kai training baper ki bakan thop na do ki ITI bat ki functional vocational training FVT ki ba ars nam bat ki ba shis nam ru kumjo da ka men sem ka bakman bakila la ban pendap ki training ka don ru ka jing sir lakin yon em ya ki kam ki ba ki thmu Hakum kani kapor ka don pat ka jingkerman lingba kani ka slam ajing hikai ka bapen biang ya ki placement na ka banta ki khana pule lingba ka placement cell ka ban pentep shapang ki kambalaj hakinu kinu ki jakatrai neki office neki firm hapo ka jala bat shabar ru kumjo Hakani kasngi karpang Jong ini ki khana puli lawan mensakhi daw Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon ubariu MP ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kumukongsan haringkat ka jinga don lang urekta jong ka DBTS u Father Saji u Principal Father Shining Dekhar Manager Father D. Kyrwoh ki brothers ki bala don slam tam ha Don Bosco Technical School Shillong bakenthop ya brother Valerie but brother Carmel Muscat bat kiwe Hakane kasngi haba ajing kran kumukongsan u Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon ulai ro ek jing penan kam hok ka Don Bosco Technical School ya ka kam ka baret na ki baret tam ban penwandur ya ka bana ka bala ban penan kam biang hakipor ki banwan ban subrat no tang dap ka program ka bashisngi da ka jing sngoret ulai Khublei ki brother temen da ka baong ka jing wan jongki na sa Shillong Duriao ban IT mat pat mensim ban pelot ya ka jing em jongki ha ka ban penwan dur ya ka jing em jongki spa bat ki hajar ngot ki samla ki belapas na ka ni ka skol ka pen kan mau ka jing no senyang u Don Bosco tang ha ka jaka bau don Henry satlak ka perthai ki brio ki tip ya u kum u brio u ba iet bat pen em mensim jongki babon ki samla ki bela sakma Ula pensai ru ya ka jingmut jong ka kentin Don ha ka babun kimpoi perkhat badwat ya ka jingmut Henry ban ongpan ba ya ka kentin Don ka mut kpa lani Father Bosco
I thank God for this time, for giving me this privilege. Indeed, it is an honor to stand before you, to be invited as the chief guest of this program. It is indeed a very memorable day in the lives of those young graduates. But before I begin my speech or share my thoughts, as I was sitting there are three things which I observed. Three things, let me say. And these three things are, number one, when I was looking at this banner here, I do not know whether you also see what I see. What I see in this banner is the importance of making use of a resource. I do not know whether you get it or not. Let me go there and see. When I look at that, this banner, what I could see is that Don Bosco Technical School really know how to make use of the resource. But this one will continue maybe for the next 5-6 years. So it is all how you look at the resource. Resource, it is indeed in today's world, it is so limited. That is why we have economics. If everything that we get is in abundance, I don't think so we will be studying economics. Economics teaches us how to make use of the best resource. So you're really making the best use of the resource. That this will continue, in the years to come. So thank you, Don Bosco Technical School, for making full use of the resource. Because in most places, what I see is, once this program is over, the banner becomes useless. And I always tell people the same thing. Make use of the resource. You're using it just for a few hours. You can always, if you keep it nicely, store it nicely, you can continue to use it again and again. So that is one observation. Maybe a question that I would ask, not those from this institution, but those who are going to leave this institution very shortly. Don Bosco Technical School. May I ask you, what is the meaning of Don? Don? Yes. One of the graduate, maybe this one at the right side, extreme right, the lady here. What is the meaning of Don, please? Huh? Huh? Is it right? No. Huh? No, I'm talking about in the context of this. So that is why understanding the context is important. So answering the question that is being asked is also important. And that is why, we do not understand the context. Please sit down. Well, it's okay not to know, but then, having studied here for 2 years, I think it is important as, to each one of us to always ask questions. I asked Father Saji, what is, I asked him, meaning of Don. Don means father, right? So Father Bosco. Okay. So at least when you leave this place, you should also know why is the name Don Bosco. So I just wanted, because this is what I learned sitting there, because I always like to observe things and I always try to question. But that's how I get to learn. So let me come to what I have prepared for today's program. At the very outset, once again, I thank God for giving me this time to be in your midst. Has made me the God who has created me, is a God who has never left me nor forsaken me, like he said in the book of Joshua. And I am who I am, and I will continue to be who I am, because I know that my God will never leave me. As long as I cling on to him, no matter if this garment is too long for me, but no matter what, I'll cling on to him. He will always, continue to lead me in my life, every moment, every second of my life, and I'm sure in the life of each one of us. Father Shining the Car, Principal of Don Bosco Technical School, Father Saji Stephen. Then we have other fathers who are present here. Sisters, thank you. Brother Muscat and Brother Valerie. Grazie. In Italian they say grazie means thank you. Thank you. Grazie, right? Grazie. Grazia. Okay. Thank you for all the dedication that you have given to this state of ours. You have sacrificed so much, leaving your country to spend time and to be a blessing to this, to the state of ours, to many people. May God continue to bless you, and may you continue to be an example to many. That what you have done maybe in the years gone by, I believe you and many others, today we stand to harvest the fruits because of the good seed that we have sown some more than 100 years ago by those who have left, but they have sown a good seed, and good seed will always bear good fruits. So today we stand here to celebrate the good fruits that is, that this big tree has given to these many fruits that we here are witnessing. So it is a great honor and a great privilege for me to be here today to celebrate the achievement of the graduating class of Don Bosco Technical School 2022-24 and 2023-24. Like I said, this is a momentous occasion marking the culmination of 1 year and 2 years of hard work, dedication and perseverance. I encourage you, like others before me, to dream big, but also, while dreaming big, to ground your dreams in a sense of responsibility. As young technicians, your innovations, I'm sure, will shape the future of this state of ours, this region and the nation as a whole. Perseverance and resilience, they are the key to overcoming any challenge that you might come across in your life. So once again, to the graduating class, from my side, and I'm sure from all of us who are present here to witness this momentous occasion, we wish you the very best with all your future endeavors, and may you continue to reach new heights and make a difference and inspire others. Before I take my seat to Don Bosco Technical School, may I urge the school, not just to impart just technical education. How I wish that you would also come up with innovative idea, innovative solutions to issues, to problems that the nation, the state is encountering today. I hope that maybe one day I will see not just Don Bosco Technical School, but maybe Don Bosco Technical and maybe Innovative School. Because I know you can do it. You have done so much. There's still a long way to go. And there's still so much that you can contribute. I trust that you can do it. I know we've seen there are so many government-run institutions which have failed. It is quite unfortunate. They have all the resources, but yet they have failed. You have not failed the society. The society is looking up to you. And me standing here, as long as I am in the position as one to serve, not to be served, I will always be there to give and to lend all kinds of support that I can render. And I'm sure with God leading us, we can do great things. We can transform this nation. We can revive this state over the last 50 years. We can do it. And our young friends, I'm sure, yes, we can do it. Nothing is impossible with God on our side. With these few words, once again, may God bless Don Bosco Technical School, the leaders of the institution, and may God bless you as you leave this campus. May you be a blessing to others. And for those who are still pursuing with their studies here, may you learn all the good things from here, and may you use it for the good of the people, the good of the society, and to bring the glory to God Almighty. With these few words, thank you so much.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jing ki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya